The choices we make every day, big or small, form our habits and eventually shape our future. So, if we want to make a positive impact on our future, we must start by developing positive habits today. But change is not easy. It takes time, effort, and persistence. We may stumble and fall, but the important thing is to get back up and keep pushing forward. We must believe in ourselves and have faith in the journey. Think about it, small changes can lead to big results. Maybe it's drinking more water, waking up earlier, or exercising regularly. Whatever it is, it all starts with taking that first step and making a conscious effort to stick with it. And once we form that positive habit, it becomes easier to keep it going. So, let's make a commitment to ourselves to work on our habits and strive to become the best version of ourselves. Let's make the choice to break free from negative patterns and embrace positive change. Let's take control of our lives and be proud of the person we are becoming. Remember, success is not just about reaching our goals, it's about the person we become in the process. So let's work hard, stay focused, and never give up on our dreams. The future is ours to create, and it starts with changing our habits for the better.